If you're looking for a fan that moves some serious air without taking over your whole room, you need to check this one out. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this is the DREO Tower Fan. So it comes with a remote, and one thoughtful feature is that you can actually mute the little beeping sounds the remote makes while you're using it. And just to give you an idea of the size, I'm 5'5", and it comes just below my waist. So it has a nice slim profile without being overly tall. I also want to show you the cord length because that matters to me. So if you're trying to figure out where you can put it, this is about the distance you have on the cord. There are 8 speed settings, so I'm going to turn it all the way up to 8 here with the sound on so you can hear exactly what it sounds like at full power. It also oscillates, has 4 different modes, and gives you plenty of options for keeping your space comfortable. My husband commented that it really cools off his office space. He finds he has to lower it because he's too cold. And that's my point of view.